Hi friends, welcome to Knowledge Best YouTube channel. This is a first episode, quiz question in English. If you want to enrich your knowledge of English as well as quiz, please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, leave a comment in the comment section, share my video amongst your friends. Let's embark on this journey together. Name the animal who can't jump. Answer is elephant. Which is the biggest land animal? Answer is African elephant. Which month is the longest? Answer is January. How many minutes are in 1.5 hours? Answer is 90 minutes. Name the dairy products used in making butter. Answer is milk. What is the group of lion called? Answer is pride. What verse is the opposite of right? Answer is wrong. Can you sneeze with your eyes open? Answer is no. How many days are in a week? Answer is 7 days. What is the smallest country in the world? Answer is Vatican City. What are the primary colors? Answer is red, blue and yellow. What is the name of the tallest mammal in the world? Answer is giraffe. What are the five senses? Answer is hearing, taste, smell, sight and touch. What are the three types of rock? Answer is metamorphic, igneous and sedimentary. What are the four seasons? Answer is winter, spring, summer and autumn. What is the main color of a fear? Answer is a yellowish-green color. What is the name of the biggest bird in the world? Answer is ostriches. How many legs do a spider usually have? Answer is 8 legs. Which mammals have the ability to fly? Answer is bats. Which animal has the biggest mouth? Answer is Bowhead Whale. Which animal has the most bones? Answer is python has 1800 bones. Which animal has the shortest lifespan? Answer is Mayflies. What portion of the cat's body is connected to its spine? Answer is tail. Which animal has similar fingerprints to humans? Answer is Koala. Which is the loudest animal in the world? Answer is pistol shrimp. Name 4 animals that can sleep stand up. Answer is horses, zebras, elephant, cows. Which insect is able to survive without its head? Answer is cockroaches. Which animal has velvet antlers? Answer is red deer. Which animal can sleep for 3 years? Answer is snail. Which animal has the smallest egg? Answer is hummingbird. Which animal changes its color? Answer is chameleons. How many times a honeybee beats its wing sac? Answer is 200 times per second. How many arms do a starfish have? Answer is 5. Which animal has the most brains? Answer is octopus. Which fish body parts is used to estimate its age? Answer is Annuli. Which body parts does a fox use to communicate with other foxes? Answer is tail. Who has the strongest bite in the animal kingdom? Answer is saltwater crocodile. How long can a person live without food? Answer is 9 to 21 days. How many cells make up an adult human body? Answer is 37 trillion cells. How many bones do humans have? Answer is 206 bones. Which body parts gets warmer when you lie? Answer is nose. Which body parts have the most bones? Answer is hands and feet. Which body parts that never stop growing? Answer is nose and ears. Which two things humans can do simultaneously? Answer is breathe and swallow. How many taste buds does your tongue have? Answer is 3000. What is the most common blood type? Answer is O positive. Which body parts have unique prints other than fingerprints? Answer is tongue. What organ pumps blood throughout the body? Answer is heart. What is the name of the organ that helps us digest food? Answer is stomach. What is the name of the network of nerves that carries information throughout the body? Answer is nerve system. In next video, I plan to discuss so many questions and general knowledge. See you in future video.